Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to take a walk down Soi Bang Niang from the waters. So I'm here at the waters now, and I'll be turning right here onto the main road. So we'll have a look at all the stalls, the shops, the bars, the restaurants here in Khao Lak near the waters. So we have walked down here the other night in the part 1 video. And as you can see, it's quite busy. So how'd it get? The girls all try to get you in just to get the massages done. It's all this information here. Get the shop. Hi boss, how you doing?
Time to dinner, we're still
Yeah.
waiting for your soup.
Yeah, he's waiting for me. He's trying to get me in to get a suit made. He tries every night. So, pizza place near to the waters. And this is the restaurant. It's kind of attached to the waters. It's an Italian restaurant, Chinese buffet nights. The old dressed up in red lanterns, live singer. Really good singer, as you can see. There you go. And the big hot bar. And barber shop. This is quite unique. Trying to skirt past the people here. Like I said, it's quite busy. The ice cream man, fresh juices, massages. Hello. Inside corner. It's not a bad restaurant. I've eaten there twice. I'll go down there in another video, show you what's down there. Now coming up to Soi Bang Niang. So as you can see right in front of me is the foreign exchange, money exchange. That's the best rate here in Khao Lak. They're offering 42. Everywhere else is offering about 38 baht to the pound. So I walked up there the other night. I'm now going to walk down this way. So I'm turning right here at the Landler bar. You see, quite busy. The next door to that is the Siam restaurant, place opposite Pinocchio's. You see, queuing in to get in is quite good. All your freshly cooked food here. Look at that. Smells good, really good. How's that from? All your fresh fish. There you go. And that's at the Mali restaurant. Again, busy as you can see. The wine Khao Lak. I'll try and get as much in as I can of the streets or the soy. So I've just got to keep panning left and right so you can all see. Scooter hire. Look at this. All boiled eggs. Yeah, street carts and street food. Indian restaurants. The Bamboo Bar, it's not bad. Decent bar. And then the Lion Bar next door to that. Got Joe's Kitchen here on the right, as you can see, Joe's Kitchen. Next door to that is a Coco restaurant. Looks quite posh, doesn't it? There you go. You get your grilled chicken, salmon, mashed, crispy belly pork, lamb shank, grilled duck, fish and chips, whole fish snapper, vine schnitzel. There you go. The Trung Phong across the road there for the restaurants. So we've got plenty of restaurants nearby the waters, like I've already said. Drinking shop. The Moose Bar. Now the Moose Bar do sell Guinness. Tends to be my local now here in Khao Lak, the Moose Bar. Like a pint of Guinness. Ice cream, man. Ice cream. Then you've got Spunky Monkey. Now that road there takes you down to Bang Niang Market. There's roll bars there. I'll film that in a separate video. Then you've got like a beer garden there, as you can see. In the back there, let me cross over. It's great for these bikes and taxis super fast. I'll show you that. Bear with me. Just show you this. Beer garden. Let's look at that. There you go. So like I said, Spunky Monkey there. Straight opposite. I'm going to stay on the side because I want to show you something else as we come up to it. One thing in Thailand, around Khao Lak, they've got high curb line. So if you've got mobility issues, I don't recommend you walking on these pavements. Because they are quite high, and the drop on them as well is sheer badness. Okay, you've got broccoli shops, plenty of them. Tattoo shops. Now this is what I want to show you as well. This is another like cocktail garden. So this girl here, she does cocktails. The Khao Lak Tree Bar. Oh, beer garden. Couldn't quite read it. The Wonderland Bar and Restaurants. That's open during the day. It's a good bistro where you get a breakfast in the morning. Okay, so across the road there you've got Thai Life restaurants. Across the road again, I'll show you this. We're going to stop the video and play a clip from last night because I had this ricotta. I had beef, vegetables. Really nice. It was absolutely delicious and the broth was amazing that come from it. So I'll show you that in a minute. There we have it. Cooking my own tea tonight. How good is that? You got all your meat with an egg. That's noodles. All your spices. Water. There's your beef cooking away, pork fat, mushrooms, pak choy. Looking forward to this. So what do you think of that video from last night? Really good, really nice, really delicious. Highly recommend it. The ricotta here at Thai Life, and this restaurant does get packed out. So you need to get here quite early. Well, there's plenty of tables at the moment. It's still early, it's early doors. Probably about 7 o'clock here. But come 8 o'clock, that'll be absolutely rammed. Okay. So you've got the Loma restaurant across the road. And like I said earlier, this road is like a dirt track. It's got a few bars and restaurants up there. I'll do that in a separate video to show you. You've got the Gecko Bar. Let's eat. And we had about an hour ago, heavy rain here in Khao Lak. It absolutely bucketed it down. So again, another restaurant, House of Wine. So you can get wine and stuff from here. The Little Mermaid restaurant. That's a decent bar. Had a laugh in there the other night. All the girls. Lucky's bar. Okay, so across the road there, you put a bed and breakfast. There's a nautical home. Tattoos. Another bar here. I don't know what this bar's called. Swardi restaurants. Maybe. And you've got the side bar across the road there. Usually girls playing pool around that table. You've got Ben's restaurant. There we go. Let's have a look at some of the prices on these pizzas. So you can see some of the prices there. I'm not going to go through the whole list. There you go. Okay. Fresh pizza made there for you. Then you got the mango sticky rice girl. That's 30 bahts. So like mango sticky rice. Let these people get past. There you go. That's a massage. For the prices there for an hour. Tattoos. Okay, dive centre. Now if you need an ice cream, the Dairy Queen. Belting ice creams these. Absolutely delicious. Look at that. Look at the Dairy Queen restaurant. Another shop. Now that used to be the one bar here. See the boxing ring. And they used to have they only used to get the youngsters in the ring and teach them how to do Muay Thai. But it seems now it's closed down. The Jack and Cherry. 99 bahts cocktail. Then across the road there you got the Spice House restaurant, which I don't know if it's an Indian or a Thai restaurant. And next door to that, the Starbucks. And we reached the end of we just reached the end of Bang Niang. Okay. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give us a thumbs down twice. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe and leave a comment. Would really appreciate that if you could. And on that note, that's the end of the video for tonight. Catch you later. Bye bye.